What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today, you probably read by the title of this video, I have a bad vending machine. And by a bad vending machine, I mean it's not doing very well financially. Today we are going to try and see if we can increase the profits by doing things such as putting signs up like this. So I'm going to take you with me and my dad. I'm going to show you that there is a way to increase the profits on the vending machine, hopefully anyway. But yeah, so basically it's the only vending machine that's doing really bad. It's making about £150 a month, which is not good. But yeah, don't get disheartened, don't get put off vending, because I have machines, my average machine is probably doing about £8.50 a month. So yeah, that's really good. Let's get into the video. I got this message the other day from my mum, and she don't want me vlogging whilst driving anymore, which I completely understand. So yeah, there's no more vlogging whilst driving anymore. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm doing a giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned to the end. Always on his bloody phone. So we are in here. We're gonna get some stuff for obviously the business, but yeah, I'm gonna show you some stuff that we are gonna get for the machine that's not doing so good. It's also very awkward to film in here. Agua. Thought I forgot the plastic bags, but Dad put them in the box. Just got out of Best Ways, just a light shop today. Hey? I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the viewers, alright? Not everything's about you, Dad. Alright. That's it. Put the work in. Go on, lad. Go on, lad. Stopping that. There. So, we are just about to go to the location now. Oh, where have you gone? There you are. I'm not allowed to vlog whilst driving. Now my dad does more how to go at me.
Nope.
I'll leave the screenshot here again just so you can all see the proof that she sent me. So, this is me doing a voiceover because there was people in the break room. Here's me filling up the crisp. Clearly struggling. Go on, lad. Cheese. So I just wanted to jump in and let you know what we're doing. So what we're doing is we're going to lower the prices in the machine. Therefore, we're going to see at the end of the month if the number of sales increases, and if the number of sales increases, therefore we should have a bigger revenue at the end of the month. Our profit margin will be a little bit smaller, but we should have made more money. But if sales seem to stay the same, then we'll know that the prices of the machine aren't the issue. This is when I'll be having a conversation with the management about the next steps. One of the next steps includes moving the vending machine to the reception area. As right now, it's only in the break room for the employees. This gives more foot traffic to the vending machine. Having some trouble with the card reader right now. There's nothing coming up on the screen, so I just have to leave this little note as well as the price decrease sign. So yeah, bit of extra marketing never killed anyone. Okay guys, so I am doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, but to win the giveaway you have to be subscribed, you have to like all my videos up until I hit 500 subscribers, which I'm predicting will be middle of April, end of April. And you have to comment on all my videos up until then as well. So yeah, I am watching who is liking, commenting, and who is subscribed as well. So yeah, make sure you do all that. Make sure you follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok. But yeah, just stay active. Let's boost all them into the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, have a great day. Keep out. Peace.
10 toes down, I'm a ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money